Let's take up some more reactions of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. First reaction we are taking is Konisz-Rose reaction. Konisz-Rose reaction is applicable to those aldehydes which do not contain alpha hydrogen. Aldehydes which do not contain alpha hydrogen undergo Konisz-Rose reaction. Konisz-Rose reaction involves disproportionation reaction. That is, oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. This reaction takes place in the presence of concentrated alkali like NaOH or KOH. One molecule of aldehydes get oxidized to carboxylic acid which forms salts with alkali, whereas other molecule gets reduced to alcohol. Let's take up example. Formaldehyde 2 moles we have taken and reacted with concentrated KOH. One of the molecule gets reduced to methanol and one of the molecule get oxidized to formic acid which reacts with potassium hydroxide to form potassium formate. So here oxidation and reduction both have taken simultaneously. Since same substance is getting oxidized and reduced, that's why this reaction is called disproportionation reaction. Another example we are taking benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde also is the aldehyde which does not contain alpha hydrogen. It reacts 2 moles of benzaldehyde react with concentrated NaOH. One molecule gets reduced to benzyl alcohol. Common name is benzyl alcohol. IUPAC name is phenyl methanol. Another molecule gets oxidized to benzoic acid which reacts with concentrated NaOH to form sodium benzoate. Remember, sodium benzoate is used as preservative in cold drinks. Another example we are taking is 2,2-dimethyl propanol. It does not have alpha hydrogen, so it will undergo Konisz-Rose reaction. It reacts with 50% NaOH or concentrated NaOH. One molecule of aldehyde gets oxidized to carboxylic acid, which reacts with NaOH to form the salt. So we get sodium 2,2-dimethyl propanoate. Another molecule of 2,2-dimethyl propanol gets reduced to corresponding alcohol. This compound is 2,2-dimethyl 1-propanol. So these are the products of Konisz-Rose reaction of 2,2-dimethyl propanol. Next we are taking intramolecular Konisz-Rose reaction. Intramolecular means within the molecule oxidation and reduction takes place. Here we already have carboxylic group and one aldehyde group. Now this aldehyde group will get reduced as well as oxidized. Here it is getting reduced, we get sodium glycolate. In other compound it gets oxidized to COOH and we will get oxalic acid which will react with 2 moles of NaOH to form sodium oxalate. And here also this carboxylic acid group reacts with NaOH to form COONA. That's why we have got sodium glycolate and sodium oxalate as the product. Another example we are giving glyoxal. Here one part of the molecule will get reduced, other part of the molecule will get oxidized, and on acidification with dilute HCl we will get glycolic acid. So here this CHO group has changed to CH2OH after on reduction. This CHO group has changed to COOH and with NaOH it has changed to COONA. This is sodium glycolate which on acidification with HCl gives glycolic acid. Let's take up mechanism of Konisz-Rose reaction. Benzaldehyde reacts with NaOH. Here OH ion being negatively charged will act as nucleophile and will attack carbonyl carbon. This pair of electron will shift to oxygen which become negative charge and picks up Na positive to form ONA. So we get this structure. Now here it reacts with another benzaldehyde molecule and hydride shift takes place. That is, this bond breaks heterolytically and H negative ion attacks carbonyl carbon. And here, this pair of electron will take part in double bond formation and we will get benzoic acid here. And this is C6H5CH2 ONA. O negative charge will pick up Na positive to form sodium salt of benzyl alcohol. Here hydride shift will take place because benzoic acid is more acidic than benzyl alcohol. So this Na will shift here and this H will shift here and we will get sodium benzoate and benzyl alcohol as a product. This hydride shift is a slow step and rate determining step. This question has been asked in IIT, that which step involves in slow step hydride, which is the slow step in the Konigsrose reaction? Answer is in which hydride shift takes place. Next we are taking crossed Konigsrose reaction. Crossed Konigsrose reaction means we are taking two different aldehydes, both of them do not contain alpha hydrogen, and we react them with NaOH, concentrated NaOH or 50% NaOH. Now we have to decide which aldehyde will get reduced and which aldehyde will get oxidized. Now here the logic is formaldehyde is more better reducing agent as compared to aromatic aldehyde. It means formaldehyde will get oxidized and aromatic benzaldehyde, para-methoxybenzaldehyde will get reduced. So para-methoxybenzaldehyde is getting reduced to para-methoxybenzyl alcohol, and formaldehyde is getting oxidized to formic acid, which reacts with NaOH to form sodium formate. This is called crossed Konigsrose reaction. Exception, there is one exception. We have got 2-methyl propanol, which has got alpha hydrogen, but still it undergoes Konigsrose reaction with NaOH at 440 to 470 Kelvin. So one molecule gets reduced to 2-methyl propanol, other molecule get oxidized, sodium 2-methyl propanoate. So this is the exception, that aldehyde, this particular aldehyde has alpha hydrogen, but still it is undergoing Konigsrose reaction. Next we are taking Tischnikow reaction. In Tischnikow reaction, acetaldehyde, it is similar to Konigsrose reaction. In the presence of aluminium ethoxide, one molecule get oxidized, other molecule get reduced. But these are intermediate product because acetic acid can react with ethyl alcohol and lose water molecule to form ethyl acetate. So the final product in this reaction is ethyl acetate. Let's take up another example of propionaldehyde. So one molecule of propionaldehyde will get oxidized to propanoic acid, another will be propyl alcohol. Both will combine to form normal propyl propionate or normal propyl propanoate. Acrolein will undergo same type of reaction in the presence of aluminium ethoxide, and acrolein will change to acrylic acid and also acryl alcohol. Both will combine to form allyl acrylate. Next we are taking electrophilic substitution reaction. If you remember, we had done resonating structure of benzaldehyde and found that the electron density is less at ortho and para position due to presence of positive charge. It means the electrophile will attack at meta position. So aldehyde and ketones, being electron withdrawing, are meta directing. So benzaldehyde, when undergoes nitration with the help of conc sulfuric acid and conc nitric acid at 273 to 283 Kelvin, meta-nitrobenzaldehyde is formed. Another example, we are taking astrophenone when reacts with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, we get meta-nitroastrophenone. Sulfonation. Benzaldehyde reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid. On heating, it forms sulfonic acid. So we get meta-benzaldehyde sulfonic acid. We can also call it meta-formyl benzene sulfonic acid. Out of this, sulfonic acid is preferred group. So the aldehyde group prefix is formyl. So this becomes meta-formyl benzene sulfonic acid. Let's take up sulfonation of astrophenone. At meta position, SO3H group will come. This is called meta-astrophenone sulfonic acid or meta-acetyl benzene sulfonic acid. This group is called acetyl group. Another example of electrophilic substitution reaction we are doing with bromine in the presence of AlCl3 axis. So electrophile Br positive will generate, which will attack at meta position. We will get meta-bromoastrophenone. Some substitution reaction of aryl groups we are going to take. First one is halogenation. Benzaldehyde when treated with Cl2 at low temperature, this H is replaced by Cl. We get benzoyl chloride plus HCl is formed. Another reaction we are taking side chain substitution of astrophenone. When you treat it with Br2 in presence of ether as a solvent, temperature is 0 degrees centigrade. Here AlCl3 acts as a catalyst. We need to add small amount. This H will be replaced by Br, so we get phenacyl bromide plus HBr. So this is side chain substitution reaction which is taking place.